In this video, I will be showing you how to put margins in PDF in Canva. Let's get started. Starting from the Canva dashboard, I navigate to the top left corner and click on the Create a Design button. From the menu options, I scroll down to the popular templates and select Document A4 Portrait to open a brand new blank page. Once the editor loads onto the screen, a side panel for print options pops up on the right. I click the Close button on that panel to keep my workspace clean and unobstructed. Now, to enable the margin guides on the document, I head over to the top left navigation bar and click on File. In the drop-down list, I hover over Settings to expand the additional options, and then I click on Show Margins. Right away, you will see a dashed rectangular line appear around the edges of the page. This guideline marks the safe printable area for your PDF, helping you keep all your content neatly inside the borders without the risk of anything getting cut off when exported or printed. Next, to test out the layout, I move over to the left sidebar and click on the Text tab. I select Add a heading to insert a text box onto the canvas, and then I type in sample text. With the text added, I click and drag the text box across the page to show how the margin guides work. As I move the text up to the top and down toward the bottom, the elements easily align with the dashed border, making it simple to position your headings, paragraphs, and graphics within the proper boundaries. Whenever you need to verify or toggle your guides, you can simply click File, go to Settings, and check that Show Margins is active. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to put margins in PDF in Canva.